Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will gonna show how to install Ngrok in Kali Linux step by step. So in this tutorial, we are going to use the Ngrok to expose your local host to the world. So let's start. So first of all, you have to create a free Ngrok account to use the Ngrok services over the internet. Here I have created my account already. So I am signing in with the existing one. And this is the dashboard of your Ngrok account. Here we have to download the Ngrok binary. You can download it from here using a single click. But I will download it with the help of the wget command. Ngrok is available for Mac OS, Linux, Windows, and FreeBSD. I am using Kali Linux. So copy this link by right-click. Now open your favorite terminal. Here you have to type the wget command and paste the copied link here like this. And this is the command to download the binary file using the wget command. Ngrok allows you to expose a web server running on your local machine to the internet. Just tell Ngrok what port your web server is listening on. If you don't know what port your web server is listening on, it's probably port 80, the default for HTTP. When you start Ngrok, it will display UI in your terminal with the public URL of your tunnel and other status and metrics information about connections made over your tunnel. Now our Ngrok is downloaded. Using the ls command you can see the downloaded .tgz file. Now we have to extract the file using the tar command. So this is the command to extract the file .tgz using the tar command. Now we have to connect to Kali Linux to our Ngrok account. Now here you have to copy this command and run in your terminal. So running this command will add your auth token to the default ngrok.yml configuration file. This will grant you access to more features and longer session times. Running tunnels will be listed on the status page of the dashboard. So we have to forward the port 80. So this is the command to request a tunnel to your local server. Or you can say this is the command to port forwarding using the Ngrok. Now you will get the link that is accessible from anywhere in the world. You can share with anyone for as long as your local instance of LT remains active. Any requests will be routed to your local service at the specified port. So I am opening this link in my web browser. Here I am getting this error. I got many messages regarding this. This is not an error. We just missed the web server. So first we have to install and start the Apache web server. I will give all the commands in the description below. Or if you want how to install an Apache server in Kali Linux, click on the I button here. So my Apache services are running and the status is active. Now simply open the link in the browser. And here you can see our web server is working. And Ngrok also working fine here. So that is it. This is the way how to install and set up Ngrok in Kali Linux. Thank you for watching this video. And make sure to subscribe my channel so you don't miss out on my future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.